If you're a business owner wondering how to tap into the power of YouTube, you're in the right place. Today I'll be walking you through some simple steps to get you started on YouTube and use it effectively to promote your business. So let's dive right in. Did you know that YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google? This is why when you're creating content on the platform, keywords related to your content, business, and industry are key. It also shows the potential that YouTube has to improve the search ranking of your business website overall. But let's start with creating your channel. To start, you'll need a Google account, and once you're logged in, head to YouTube and click on your profile icon. And from there, go to your channel settings to select Create a New Channel. It's important to create a name that reflects your business, preferably your brand name. So next, let's customize your channel. Upload a professional logo as your profile picture and add a banner image that captures the essence of your business. This is your chance to make a great first impression, so ensure that your visuals are high quality and aligned with your brand. On your channel, you don't want to forget about the About section. This is where you tell viewers who you are, what you do, and why they should follow you. This is an important section to consider your keywords, which is going to help increase the searchability of your channel. With your About section, keep it clear, concise, and include links to your website and social media channels. It's also a great idea to include a call to action, like encouraging your viewers to visit your website or sign up to your newsletters. Now on to the fun part, creating your content. Start by thinking about what your audience wants to see. Are they looking for product demos, behind-the-scenes looks, or expert tips? Whatever it is, make sure your videos provide value. Remember, you don't need expensive equipment to get started. A good smartphone and natural lighting can work wonders. With the introduction and popularity of YouTube Shorts, which are 60-second portrait-style videos, if you're struggling with creating video content but succeed in creating micro-content on other channels like Instagram Reels or TikTok content, YouTube Shorts is a great option for your business. Here's a quick checklist for your videos. Write a clear script, shoot in a quiet place, and keep it engaging. And don't forget to add captions for accessibility and make sure your audio is crisp. Viewers will forgive average video quality, but bad sound can be a deal breaker. Did you also know that you can make money from your YouTube channel? The YouTube Partner Program allows channels to create revenue from their video content. To achieve YouTube Partner status, you must accomplish these things within a period of 12 months. You could either get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of valid public watch time, or you can get 1,000 subscribers with 10 million valid public short views in 90 days. Once your video is ready, it's time to upload. But wait, don't just hit publish. Optimize your video for search. Use relevant keywords in your title, description, and your tags to help people find your content. A catchy thumbnail is also essential, and it's the first thing people will see, so make it really eye-catching and representative of your video. Finally, remember that engagement is key. Respond to comments, ask questions, and encourage your viewers to like and subscribe. The more that you interact with your audience, the more loyal they'll become to your channel. So there you have it, a quick guide to using YouTube for your business. Set up your channel, create valuable content, and engage with your audience. Start small, be consistent, and over time, you'll see your efforts pay off.